Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to delete watch history on YouTube, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete watch history on YouTube, first open up your YouTube app on your phone. And after opening your YouTube app, guys, on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a U button available for us just beside the subscription. Tap on the U button over here and you land on this interface. Whereas at the top right corner of the screen, you can see, guys, there's a gear or a settings icon available for us over here at the top right corner. Tap on that settings or the gear icon at the top right corner, and you'll land on this interface where you can see, guys, your data in YouTube option available for us over here. Just below the manage all history, tap on your data on YouTube, and on this interface scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to find your YouTube watch history over here, as well as your YouTube search history. Now in order to delete your YouTube watch history, guys, you can see there it says manage your YouTube watch history over here on this tab where it says the YouTube watch history. Tap on the manage your YouTube watch history over here and you'll land on this interface where all of your YouTube watch history will be available for us over here. If you scroll down, all of your YouTube watch history will be available over here. Now in order to delete a watch history on YouTube, if you want to delete a particular watch history which you had watched on YouTube, you can see, guys, these are the particular YouTube watch histories over here. If you want to delete one of them, simply tap on the cross or the close button at the top right corner of that video. Particularly, for example, I'll be deleting this one particularly, for example, and you can see, guys, that will be deleted. Let's do that for another one. Let's tap on the today's video, let's tap on it and it will be deleted like this. Now if you want to delete custom range of watch history on YouTube, for example, you can see, guys, there is the delete button available for us over here at the top right. If you tap on that delete button over here, this kind of box will appear where you can choose to delete a custom range, delete all time, or delete just today's. If you tap on delete today, guys, your watch history on YouTube will be deleted. If you want a custom range, you can type in custom range and proceed to delete. Or if you want to delete all watch history on YouTube, simply tap on delete all time and you can see, guys, you would be required to confirm you would like to delete all the following activity and tap on delete and tap on got it. Then let's close this, and then your watch history on YouTube will be permanently deleted like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how you'd be able to delete watch history on YouTube. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.